Happy Thursday, everyone, and thanks for checking in. Meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast for WeatherBug. We're going to be talking about these Clipper systems rolling through with some pretty decent frequency, one of which is going to be developing here for the end of the week and bring us some northeast snowfall, almost a repeat of what we had last week with the snowfall, and then turning much colder. And we'll talk about why, which is kind of being affected from a system nearly a half a world away. As we take a look at the precipitation through the end of the week and the early weekend time frame, lots of moisture in the northern New England states. The rain kind of tapering, but still ongoing in southern Texas, and then some decent stuff as you head north of the international border. All right, take a look at this little blob of clouds here. That was the remnants of Super Typhoon Nuri. And what's going to happen is that as this thing recurves back to the northeast, here as you get into the northern Pacific, this is going to be developing this jet stream significantly. We're going to have a massive storm blow up over the Aleutian Islands of Alaska, getting into the night tonight and tomorrow, and that's going to be causing some significant waves out this way. They're talking wave heights of nearly 55 feet, which is sickening. I can't even believe that, but pretty incredible. So what's going to happen then is that downstream, the jet stream is going to be all crazy. It's going to be a high amplitude weather pattern, and then eventually it's going to dump a ton of cold air into our neck of the woods by early next week. There has been research done that those typhoons, as they recurve back to the northeast, about 3 to 5 days later, you get this big old crazy trough of low pressure here in the Midwest. And look at how cold that air mass is. That's going to feel more like December, so that's what we'll be watching for. And there's that snow in the northeast. You can see that piling up, maybe a foot in some cases, but temperatures around the Great Lakes region now definitely chilly. Billings, though, and Denver on the front range, 10 to 15 degrees above average. Pretty quiet, and quiet in the southwest as well.